Yeah. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Okay, we just got the pad clean and they've already started getting
goodness,
water
I
on
see
it.
you. I see you coming up underneath here.
Messy little puppies. Messy
see
little
you.
puppies. This
see
little
you.
guy right there that's getting Grandpa with the blue collar on is available.
Goodness. Oh goodness.
Yeah.
I need to get you.
And this little girl right here. Is that wait a minute, is that my little
Oh my
girl?
goodness. Her collar's gone, Mama.
Yeah. She's available.
I see you. I see you.
She's trying to get behind you.
Too.
She's gonna try to get around you.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
She's a cutie, sweet little thing.
I see you. I see you hunching over, ready to attack.
And this little guy right here is available.
Oh goodness.
That one right there.
She's about to get me. She's getting
The
me.
little tricolor pushed him out of the way. There he is.
She's getting me.
He's available right there.
Oh, you're gonna put your paw
He's got a
on
full
me.
white collar too.
You're gonna put your paw on me.
He does have a full
That
collar.
little
doesn't he?
blue one right here.
I know.
so
He's such a
precious.
little baby doll.
He is.
He's like a little teddy bear.
He's kind of calm until he
Yeah.
really wants to play. He really don't want to play right now, but
He's a
I'm
teddy
gonna get
bear.
him
He's
started.
trying. Yeah, he's
I'm
starting
gonna
to.
get him started. I'm gonna get him started.
Yeah.
He's pretty laid back until it's time to play. Especially this guy right there. He's ready to always play.
Arrow. That's Arrow.
He's ready to always play.
Yeah. He goes to Michael. That's Michael's baby.
I see you. You're so big, you just muscle your way in, don't you? Oh my goodness.
This one's available. That's the one that wears the white collar.
Oh no. Oh, the
There's
blue
the one
one's
that wears
oh,
the blue
there he
collar's
comes.
available.
Here he comes. Oh, good.
And that little female is this little female right here is available.
Oh, she's so precious. She's beautiful.
She is beautiful. They're all beautiful.
I see
Big full
you.
white collars.
I see you. Oh, everybody gotta excuse my fat.
It's okay, Grandpa.
But I love puppies. I love puppies. You think so? Ow, that bit me on the booty. I see you. You bit me on the booty. I see you too. Oh goodness. You tell me, Arrow. Oh goodness.
All right, that's all the ones that are available. He's getting your wallet again, Grandpa. You got
Oh, there
another
ain't
one
no
going for
money
the
back
wallet.
there. There ain't no money back there. I'm married. Ain't you got no learning?
Oh,
Now I got the blue one.
Silly
Oh
puppies.
goodness.
All right.
Oh goodness.
bye. Look at he's so cute.